What's up, everyone? I'm Tony with Real Life Trading. We focus on teaching you how to trade. I make these videos to give you an idea of what I'm looking at in the markets, how I'm planning on playing these things as a full-time trader, where I'm looking at getting in, getting out, and what potential issues I could be seeing around the corner. So with that, let's start with SPY. SPY is looking very, very bullish. It looks really good. I am watching this area right here around 600. Yes, we closed above it on Friday, but if at any point we start to give this back up and move lower this week, it could be an early warning sign. So of more selling to come. So that doesn't mean that we can't go higher though. So I am waiting to see if we will interact with this big trend line. This is a trend line that we've had on the charts for over a year, and we are getting very, very close to hitting this. The expected move this week is 609 for the options, and we've got this big trend line running through here. So we could actually intersect with this thing, probably getting into Friday or so. So this could be a very fun place for a reversal off of this long-term trend line. So I am watching that very, very closely. Whenever everybody jumps in bullish, and that's what that sentiment is showing, like everyone's like, all right, we are now bullish. Well, they've kind of missed the party in the sense that we've been bullish for a long, long time. People use large moves to confirm direction of the markets. And so the issue with that is it's always going to make you late to the game because you need to be making money during this big bull move, not using this big bull move to go, oh, it's bullish. Let me go ahead and buy up here now. Could we continue? Yeah. But reality, we're probably more into like a stage somewhere like this, where we did continue higher a little bit, but it wasn't long before a reversal came. And in fact, the start of 2025, we could be seeing some bears start to wake up and push us back down into some of the levels that we need to retest, which is going to be 500 to 420 area. And then it's buy the dip and rampage back up again. So be very, very cautious. When everybody is loading in, it's normally marking closer to the end. And that's what I am seeing right now. So I want to be paying very, very close attention to this trend line right up through here that we are about to hit on a weekly chart. It's this black line up here. So that brings us, if we were to hit it over the next few days, it's probably around 604 to 606 area, just depending on when it hits it since the trend line. Find out if the bulls come through there. If they do, and we start to give up this key level, which is sitting right at 600. If you want to learn more about how I am reading these charts and understand how you can use other things besides just the movement of the stocks to get your confirmation, get the confirmation through the price action, through the strength, through the little cues that these markets are giving you. If you want to learn how to do that, jump on over to reallifetrading.com, sign up for the lifetime membership. It's only 25 bucks one time, and you're in our community for life. Once you're in there, this week we are giving out a free price action course. And this price action course is going to teach you all of these things here that I just talked about, at least give you a solid foundation of how to be able to diagnose the markets without needing the movements of the markets for your confirmation. So you can get confirmation down here and make your money on the move instead of needing the move to tell you, hey, this is where it's going, and then you're getting in too late and odds are you're losing. This course is called Basics to Price Action, and it's going to completely change your trading. Again, it's completely free for all of our lifetime members. So jump on over to reallifetrading.com or check out the first link down below in the description, and you can join our lifetime membership for just 25 bucks. And we give out free courses every single month, not to mention weekly live coaching. So let's dive into the Qs now real fast. The Qs have been riding this up channel low really nicely, and it's getting ready to make that new all-time high. What I want to see is a strong close above 515. If that's the case, keep buying off of this trend line. If this trend line closes and then we get that retest, look out. This could open the door to a lot more selling coming across for the Qs. I don't see that happening yet, but up through this area is going to tell us just how strong these bulls actually are. So if we get strong closures through, keep on cranking. If not, and we start really hesitating through here, throwing in lots of these upper wicks and breaking this trend line, it's a very, very easy short. So that'd be a fun trade. Diving now into Nvidia. So Nvidia is up into a very strong resistance with multiple bull days in a row. If the bears are going to step in, this would be about the spot for them to do it and to push them back down again into this trend line. So if this happens, expect some bears over the next week or two in this area. So that would mean simply zooming into a shorter time frame, watching the trend start to break through. If you get that, it's a pretty good short to move back lower. Nvidia loves to squeeze bears out, and so it's very possible that we are heading all the way back up into 145, because that would kind of complete the head and shoulder look, right? But again, really good spot for the bears to come in. Look short through here, possibly if you get that set up, and then target would be right back into this support area, 132 to 135 ballpark area. Well, my friends, I hope you enjoyed this quick little review. Again, check out that first link down in the description to join our lifetime access membership, where it's just 25 bucks. You're in it. You'll get live coaching from professional traders like me every single week to help you along your journey to learn how to trade. Again, we're focused on turning you into the guru instead of having you follow some guru. I want you to have the skills to be able to open a chart at any time and make money whenever you want within your style that matches your lifestyle and the timing that you're able to do it. So whether you're interested in day trading, we have an entire day trading roadmap to show you how to do that. Maybe you're interested in a little bit more in swing trading, which is easier for people that have a job, right? And just as profitable. We have a perfect roadmap designed to teach you how to swing trade from 0 all the way to 100 so that you can do this to bring in some passive income, maybe even replace your job and trade full time. We have a full roadmap for people that want to learn options and become an options trader like me. Show you exactly how to do it from start all the way to end. We have a roadmap if you want to be a futures trader. So you're welcome to join our futures roadmap. Learn how to trade the futures from 0 all the way to 100 again to teach you how to be consistently profitable, the things to look out for, etc. We have partnered with Apex to do a funded trading account. So you can put in literally like $100 and get thousands and thousands of dollars to trade with, real money. So that way you can break the barriers. Like maybe you don't have enough money to trade with. There's an answer for you to have real returns, real money. And again, this is all part of our futures roadmap to show you how to become a futures trader. Whatever you need, real life trading will show you how to achieve it. That's what we specialize in. We've been doing this for over 10 years with hundreds and hundreds of 5-star reviews on Trustpilot. Check us out, first link down below. Follow your plan, look for those key levels that I pointed out today in this video, and go crush the markets.